Magluluto na sana ako kanina kaso lumapit si Kitty, umiiyak.
You want to cook? So, meron tayo ngayong special guest. Now, this one is a?
Cheese.
No, it's a?
Butter.
Yeah! Aroy, nag-melt na nga. Pakainit dito kasi sa amin.
Ah, wow.
Onion.
Onion and?
Garlic. Or carrot.
Carrot. Matagal kasi maluto yung carrot. Although, kinakain naman siya ng medyo raw.
What's that, Mom? Cabbage.
Cabbage. Wow, so many pala. It's so many, the cabbage. And then, yung ginawa pala natin kanina na mixture, nilagyan ko ng konting water para madali siyang i-spread all over.
Water?
Yeah, this one is oyster sauce, sesame oil, and a little soy sauce. Kaya rin siguro wag muna tayo maglalagay ng salt because baka mag-alat ng sobra. Diba? Parang Asian style yung nakita ko sa recipe na sinearch ko. Or Oriental stir-fried veggie. Yun yung parang ano niya. Kung papangalanan ninyo.
Kitty's opening it.
No, not the salt. Only the pepper lang po.
Oh, pepper.
Yes, thank you, sweetheart.
No, it needs some salt.
Salt? Wait. Kasi we already put soy sauce, my love. Baka mag-alat na siya, sweetie. The one that we put kanina, yung color brown, it has taste already. So, baka naman mag-alat, mahal. Hinaharangan ko kasi baka dumikit siya sa pan, eh. I guess pwede na to. Super quick lang. Meron kasi niluto si mother na beef. So, ito lang yung parang pinaka-veggie side dish, ganon.
Wow.
Abaw. It's not bad. I think I like it na crunchy, so I might stop here na. Okay na to. Alright, this is okay na. You say bye-bye to them na.
No, he.
No, anak, no more salt, diba? Kasi we put the toyo already. Oh, we can add a little more pepper but no more salt kasi there's toyo na inside. The toyo is already salty. Okay? Can you please put it there, sweetheart? Thank you. Bait naman yan, nakikinig naman. Thank you, love. O siya na, you say bye-bye to your friend. Bye-bye, friends!
Bye-bye.